Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today is the Harbor Freight edition of more crap that you need in your shop to make your life a little bit better. Best part about this is all of these items can be purchased at Harbor Freight. All of them are under $5 each. Some of them are obvious, some of them not so obvious. Stick around to see what I'm talking about. All right, first up are the brushes. They come in a couple of different packs. Each of the packs is under $5. These things work great when cleaning your bike, especially the smaller ones with those hard to reach areas. If you don't have a pair, you need a pair right now. So go get some. Next up is this magnetic bar. This is like $2 or $3, but sometimes they have a coupon where you can actually get it for free. These things are amazing if you have a bunch of tools that you want to organize. I hang a bunch of different tire irons on there and tire levers and ratchets. They work great. Super strong magnet, so you don't have to worry about the tools falling off. For free or for just a couple of bucks, depending on if you have the coupon or not. These things are great. I love it. Next up, a magnetic dish. I just hook it up to my bike stand, and anytime I'm working on it, I can just throw any of the screws or nuts or whatever in there and don't have to worry about losing them. This, again, is sometimes free with a coupon. Otherwise, it's like 99 cents or $2. Can't beat it. Next up are these mini pick and hook tools. I use these things for everything, from pulling out O-rings to cleaning the dirt in hard to reach places. I didn't think that I would use these that much, but I even use them to open up packages. I had a coupon to get them for free. Otherwise, I think they're like $2. This is the most expensive item. This was $4.99 for this container. They have all different kinds of containers. This thing is essential, especially if you have small pieces laying around that you want to organize a little bit better. Grab one of these. Next up are not paper towels. These are more like cloth towels. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, but I used to use paper towels, and then I bought this roll. Way stronger than paper towels. They're more absorbent. That when working with grease, oil, or anything like that, these were $2.50. Again, one of those things you don't really appreciate until you have it, and then you wonder why you didn't have it earlier. Next up is this little ratchet. Honestly, I bought this thinking that I would give it to my kids as just a little toy that they could play with. It ratchets really well. It's surprisingly durable. I think I paid $2.49 for this thing. And I didn't think I would use it, but I use it all the time. I love it. And last but not least are these safety glasses. Again, sometimes they have a coupon that you can get these for free. Otherwise, I think they're $1.50, maybe $2. I use these around the shop if need be, but I also have a pair that I'll put on if I go night riding because they're crystal clear. They don't really fog up. I haven't had an issue with them fogging up. And for $1.50, it's good eye protection at night when you don't need to worry about wearing sunglasses or anything like that. So there are 8 items that you can get at Harbor Freight, all for under $5. Let me know in the comments below if you guys buy anything from Harbor Freight to make your life easier as you're working on your bikes. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That just means the world to me, and I appreciate all the support. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.